Good morning. Myself, Dr. Purvi Bharadwaj, Associate Professor Physics, Department of Physical Science, Rabindranath Tagore University, Bhopal, MP, India. The topic of my presentation is electronic and heat capacity calculation of valency fluctuating YBPD single crystal. These are the properties of YBPD single crystal. The multiple phase transformations is outstandingly fascinating from both technologically and basic features. At the same time, as a great deal of experimental and theoretical consideration has determined on the succeeding transitions in YBPD single crystal. By the use of neutron diffraction techniques, the magnetic structure of YBPD was resolved for a recently synthesized strain-free sample, which is studied in reference number 4. Exploration of valency ordering in the intermediate valency magnet YBPD has been reported by Tagasaki et al. In reference number 5. The other properties of YBPD single crystal are the mixed valent intermetallic compound through ultrasonic measurement on the single crystals has been explored by reference 1. In the group of intermediated valency vacillation amalgam including YBP ions, one more often that not observed phase transitions by region of the valency state with the variation of applied magnetic field or inspection. It is renowned that the interaction stuck between the localized F electrons and the conduction band electrons in this assemblage of compounds is accountable for several fascinating properties being linked with Kondo lattice and heavy fermion systems. YBPD is one of the most captivating YB-based compounds. It is very rare and is still not well empirical. The origin of this is quite mystifying and inexplicable. In modern years, a great deal of deliberation has been persistent on YBPD compounds by the region of an effluent selection of physical happening imitated from a mixed valent state of YBI. For example, heavy fermion activities, non-Fermi liquid performance, magnetism, multipolar ordering, superconductivity, and charge ordering. The pressure temperature phase diagram of YBPD was made known passing through simulations, AC calorimetry, and electrical resistivity measurements. Up to now, this compound has been deliberated merely in its polycrystalline structure with an assortment of technique. The methodology which we have used in these calculations are LAPW, linearized augmented plane wave scheme, within the density functional theory using the code Win2K. In this cycle, the potentials take care of generalized gradient approximation estimation. The motivation of incorporating different potentials is to study the structural and electronic properties of this crystal. Hornberg-Kohn theorem have been used in this. Many electron system can be determined by using functionals, which in this case is the spatially dependent electron density. The advantage of this working is that the dimensionally problem is reduced from 3 into 3. Visualization is very easy and the density is an experimental observable. According to first theorem, there is a one-to-one correspondence between the ground state density of many electron system and the external potential. The second Hornberg-Kohn theorem defines the energy function for the system and proves that the correct ground state electron density minimizes this energy functional. The electron density uniquely defines the total energy of a system and is a function of density n, which is expressed by this equation. The system is replaced by a fictitious non-interacting system with the same density as the real system. The corresponding Hamiltonian called Coulomb Hamiltonian is described by this equation. The exchange correlation potential is Vxc. The many-body problem of interacting electron in a static external potential is reduced to a manageable problem of non-interacting electrons moving in an effective potential. The exchange correlation function has been used in exchange keep electron of same spin away from each other by the Pauli exclusion principle, and in the correlation effect keep electrons away from each other due to Coulombic forces. The approximate functional work are LDA. The density is slowly the density is slowly varying. In the generalized gradient approximation, the P at each point and the magnitude of the density. In hybrid functional, orbital dependent HF plus LDA or GGA function. We solved the quantum equations and found the eigenenergies and eigenfunctions that we can obtain as ground state total energy, forces acting on atom, charge density, band structure and density of states, vibrational properties. Using these calculations, we have computed some results for the YBPP single crystal. The values we have calculated are bulk modulus, Young's modulus, longitudinal elastic constant, Poisson ratio of YBPP single crystal. We have compared our results with available data, and it is clearly seen from these results that our values are in good agreement with available theoretical results. The volume energy graph of YBPD have been plotted with volume and energy in this graph. The basic structure of YBPD is shown in this figure. Next, we have calculated the energy band structure of YBPD. The band structure shows from different key points with energy shown in this figure. Next, we have calculated the density of states of a YBPD single crystal. The density of state have been plotted in this figure with energy and density of states. The total dose is represented by the violet lines, and the single YB total states are described with green color, and the only PD total density have been represented by blue color. The conclusion of this study are the YBPD exhibit in the cubic CSCL depth structure that is described PM, 3M, and undertake 4 phase transitions at 0.5, 1.5, 105, and 125 K. The study of binary cesium chloride valency fluctuating YBPD single crystal is carried out by means of first principle calculations. We have used the Win2K code for this calculation and used the generalized gradient approximation for minimization calculations. YBPD is stable in cesium chloride B2 type structure at normal conditions. Fundamental properties are reported, including bulk modulus and elastic constant, different Poisson ratio and radius of separation. Fundamental assets of for case in point interionic separation modulus and its pressure derivative are accounted. And all the results have been calculated with available theoretical results. Clearly seen from this table that our results are in good agreement with the available data. Like these are the references which we have used in our calculation. Thank you so much.